you all in ATM Institute IELTS Speaking Practice channel. This is a fifth podcast of Task 1 Introductory Question. I hope you have listened already previous 4 podcasts. In this podcast, we will again give you some new topics which are expected to come in coming exams. I hope you will listen it very carefully and give special attention to the pronunciation and style of speaking. So get ready for the demonstration.
Are you ready for your test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here I would like to ask some questions. Do you often sing?
I like to sing, yeah, I like to sing, but as my singing abilities are not so much pretty good, so I can sing only in the bathroom.
Oh, when do you like to sing?
Whenever I am alone, I hum some songs to myself, but I feel shy when I have to sing in some front of someone.
How much time singing every day?
Not so much, actually, a few minutes perhaps just to relax my mind, but I can't give proper time every day.
What kinds of music do you like to sing?
I mostly like to sing film songs as I belong to Punjabi culture, so I like Punjabi folk songs also.
Is it difficult to sing well?
Yeah, I feel personally it is too much difficult to sing well. I think only talented person can do this.
Do you want to be a singer?
No, fortunately not. Don't want to be a singer. I know I don't have such of these abilities which a singer must have.
Move further. How is the noise level in your city?
My city is an industrial city. As I told you earlier, I belong to Ludhiana, and on top of that, it is on the national highway. So the noise levels are very high in my city.
Where does noise in urban areas come from?
The noise in urban areas come from pressure horns of vehicles, industries, and loudspeakers.
Do you think it is important to be alone sometimes?
I personally feel it is very much important to be alone sometime. Everyone needs to be introspect all the times, so one needs to know about one's likes and dislikes, and everyone needs time for one personal work, which can be the best done in solitude.
What is the importance of belonging to a certain group?
There is a lot of importance of belonging to a certain group or a social group. Man, is a social animal and cannot live alone. One needs to share one's happiness and sorrows with others. That is why we join social groups and feel part of these groups. Moreover, social groups are also sort of sporting system. They give us sport when we are low in our life and when we are depressed. It is mentally unhealthy to be alone for a long time.
What are problems you could have if you go out together in big group?
There could be a lot of problems in a big group. It is difficult to organize a big group. First of all, mismanagement can lead to conflicts. It could end up in lot of wastage of time. It has been well said that 2 is a company and 3 is a crowd.
Now move further on topic bus or taxi. How often do you take the bus?
I take the buses every day. I go to school and my college by bus.
When was the first time you took a taxi?
The last time I took a taxi was about 2 months ago. I went to Delhi to visit my relatives. There, I hired a cab from the railway station to their home.
What are the advantages of as compared with buses?
The advantages of taking taxi are that you don't have to wait for the buses. You can start at any time. Moreover, a taxi takes you from one destination to the other whereas the buses will drop you only on the bus stops.
Is it convenient to take the bus or taxi in your city?
Yeah, the bus services in my city is very good and frequent. The taxi service is also very good, but I normally take the buses as it is much cheaper then.
Move further on topic mobile phones. How often do you use your mobile phone?
I use my mobile phones very often. In fact, I can say every day I use my mobile phone.
Can you describe your mobile phone?
I have an iPhone 5s. It is in golden color. It is a rectangular in shape. It has 2 cameras. Additionally, it has 8 GB space. I can say it has many features. It is like a mini computer in my hand.
What was your first mobile phone?
I vividly remember my first mobile phone was a Nokia phone. I don't remember the model number, but it was a very basic phone. I liked on that time too much.
Would you buy a new one in the future?
I don't have any plans to buy a new one in the future. I'm quite happy with my iPhone.
Okay. How has your mobile phone changed your life?
My basic mobile phone was to change my life, kept me connected with my family all the time. But my iPhone is a smartphone and is much more than a phone for me, my connectivity. I can check my emails on my phone, I can surf the net on the phone, I can play games moreover, and also I can do calculations on my phone. I can do so many things on my phone, which is really the part of my daily life.
Okay, next topic is history. Do you like to learn history?
Yeah, actually, I can say I like to learn more about history. It is through history we come to know about the important events that give way or shape the way to progress or changes of any country.
What history event do you find most interesting?
The historical event I find the most interesting is the day when India became the independent nation. On 15th of August 1947, we celebrated it every year.
History is important.
Yeah, I think history is very important. We can learn a lot from history, and we come to know about the tradition and cultures about the past times. We can get motivation by learning about the achievement or some people. We can also learn from their mistakes which we have done, which they have done, or their ancestors.
Do you like to watch programs on TV about history?
Yeah, I love to watch programs on TV about history. In fact, the History Channel is one of my favorite TV channel. It has some great shows about history of different part of the world.
Do you think you can really learn history from films and TV programs?
Yeah, I definitely can say the TV programs and films make learning more about history more interesting and easy nowadays. Reading about history may become very boring after a while. Children also learn history better if an audio visual medium is used in the school and colleges.
Is internet a good place to learn about history?
Yeah, I feel personally internet is a very good way to learn about history. It is a vast source of knowledge. We can say we can get all the information whatever we need. There are also videos, documentaries, podcasts, ebooks, etc. also available, which is very beneficial for everyone.
Can you name a person from history whom you would like to learn more about?
I would like to learn more about Martyr Bhagat Singh, who was a freedom fighter in the struggle for independent India.
Our next topic is fruits and vegetables. Do you like fruits and vegetables?
I love fruit and vegetables. In fact, they are the part of my daily diet.
How often do you eat fruits and vegetables?
I eat fruit and vegetables daily. In fact, seasonal fruits and vegetables are part of my daily diet.
Why do you think fruits and vegetables are important for us?
I think they are important because they have essential vitamins and minerals which we must eat to be healthy.
Fruits do you prefer?
I prefer all kind of fruits, but I prefer seasonal fruits because they are readily available and it's also cheap.
What fruit or vegetable do you especially like to eat?
Vegetables, as I said you earlier, but especially I like the okra and broccoli among the veggies. And my favorite fruits are watermelon and mango, I can say.
Do you like the same fruits and vegetables today as you did when you were a child?
No, as a child, my favorite fruit used to be grapes, but now I like mango and watermelon more. Also, I was not very fond of vegetables as a child, but now I love all kind of vegetables and fruits as I know it's very healthy.
Is it easy to buy fruits and vegetables where you live?
Yeah, it's very convenient to buy fruit and vegetables where I live. I live in a city and there are many fruit and vegetable sellers who have stalls or stand sets in the part of the city. Or in the grocery stores, we also have a fruit and vegetable sections.
Do you think it is necessary to eat fruits and vegetables?
Yeah, I personally feel it's very much necessary to eat fruit and vegetables for everyone. I feel that it contains nutrients, vitamins, minerals, which are very much important for our daily diet. Okay. So I personally feel it is very important for everyone.
Okay, my last question for you. How much fruit and vegetables do you think a person needs to stay healthy?
I think fruit and vegetables are needed as a part of our everyday diet. Many dietitians or nutritionians suggest that we should eat fruit and vegetables of at least 5 different colors every day.
This is the end of your test.
Thank you very much, ma'am.